Hi, my eaters. Judy Ann here from Just8ate.com. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make vegetarian Japanese yakisoba. And so let's go ahead and hit the kitchen. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? And so let's hit the kitchen. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. Alright, for tonight's dinner, we're gonna go ahead and try our Japanese Yakisoba by Noodles. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. So in the package, there comes 3 noodles here. That looks like ramen, literally. And we have these seasoning dry packets. And it's pink! So cute. Whoa, fire! We put sesame oil into the pan, and it recommends for us to put 1 tablespoon. I'd say that's 1 tablespoon. Alright, so it's 1 tablespoon per serving, and since we're going to be cooking up 3 of these noodles, we're going to like literally cook the whole entire thing because we're so hungry, and we haven't had Japanese yakisoba in so long, so we're just going to go ahead and put 3 tablespoons of sesame oil into the pan. Now you could obviously use an oil of your choice. Maybe if you don't have sesame oil, you could put olive oil, but we're going to be using sesame oil to make it tastier. Hi. All right. There's 1, 2. We're just gonna technically just pan fry them. It says heat for 30 seconds or more.
I'm breaking apart the noodles since they're clumped together.
You making mess in the kitchen? Now I know that's one way to say you're having fun in the kitchen. Are you making fun in the kitchen? Are you making a mess in the kitchen? If you are, that means you're having a great time in the kitchen. Comment down below to let us know. By chance, are you liking this cook? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified whenever we upload another video. But since you're right there, definitely hit the like button and the share button, because you might have some family and friends that'd be interested in learning how to make Japanese yakisoba. And now we're going to go ahead and add in the 3/4 cup of water. Now, remind you, if you're doing 1 packet of noodles, you just need 1/4 cup of water. But since we're practically cooking up the whole package, it's practically 3. And so that's why 1/4 times 3 equals 3/4 cup of water. I'm just going to lightly stir, and the heat is still on medium heat. It smells good already because of the sesame oil. Yum. It's starting to smell like yakisoba already without the seasonings. I'm just dang hungry, I think. That's what's happening. Okay, now we're going to put in half an onion. That's julienne sliced. And then we're going to put in, I'd say 1/4 or like half a cup of sliced green onions. Like half a cup of napa cabbage. The yellow parts as well as the core parts of the napa cabbage, and some crinkled carrots, and we're gonna saute these in. Oi, maybe we needed a bigger pan. You know, we're just so dang hungry, we just want this to cook up already. Oh boy.
Looking overcrowded.
Yeah. So we're just gonna saute these in. Okay, I forgot to show that I put the lid on it for a little bit. and let it steam for like a minute. Okay, it's been a minute. I just opened the lid. Sorry, y'all. So now we're gonna go ahead and put in our dry packets. That's one. Two. And three. And now we're gonna mix it up. Whoa! That's what the directions say with this powder. So lower the heat, pour the packaged seasoning into the noodles, and mix well. Alright, so that's what we're doing. Ooh, it's starting to look good. Smells good. It's starting to look like we brought Japan over here in our kitchen. And so, here you have it. The Japanese style instant yakisoba. Yum. How is it?
I dig it. The flavor is really mild.
Okay.
And I don't mind it being vegetarian.
All right. That's right. It has no meat. Yeah. So thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Cool. All right. So that's got an okay from the hobby there. So my turn next. Okay. So I'm gonna give a shot of trying this out. Now it's my first time trying this brand yakisoba. So. Not bad. For instant, huh? Not bad. Brings me back Japanese memories. Hey, my eaters. Comment down below to let me know if you like yakisoba. If so, how do you like to have it? We had it vegetarian style with just onion, napa, and green onions and carrots. Comment down below to let me know how else you would create this recipe, and or I don't know, a quickie noodle dish. Anyway, check out my fridge. I have some awesome YouTube friends, you guys. They have sent me some stickers that's on my fridge, and we have, of course, Pickles Barbecue over here. We have Canna's World over here, and we have Pokey Boy Production over here underneath Yes You Can Do It. We have Barbecue Pit Dog over here. And Trap Bistro over here, and we have House Party Barbecue. They don't have a YouTube channel yet, but they're all over Instagram and Twitter. Check them out. He's a really cool dude. He knows how to grill. All right. And then we have over here Comparison Cooking. And so anyways, that's just some of the channels that are awesome that has sent us some stickers and what so have you. I already said Trap Bistro, right? Kevin's awesome. It's funny because Just8ate Kitchen, she sent me she gave me her business card, and she should be up here. But it's in my wallet. It's in my purse instead. So anyways, a shout out to Jill, Just8ate Kitchens, because she's amazing. Anyway, check out her channel whenever you can. But anyways, hopefully all my eaters, you try out this recipe and or this product. Maybe you're doing some homework to see how this tastes like before you buy it. I don't know. Anyway, I will see you in the next video, and definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an eater too. And since you're right there, hit the share button. Why not? And the like. Because those are things we're supposed to say as a YouTuber. And so anyways, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you hopefully in the next video.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video. 2 for $5. That's not